Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Umbrella Sun is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who spends time outdoors, offering a crucial layer of protection against the sun's harmful UV rays and the discomfort of intense heat. Whether you're heading to the beach, enjoying a picnic in the park, or simply walking down the street, a reliable sun umbrella can make a significant difference in your comfort and long-term skin health, transforming a potentially scorching day into a pleasant experience. Number 5. Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella. Don't let the wind ruin your day. This umbrella is engineered to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, keeping you protected. Designed for life on the go, it's incredibly light and portable. Easily fits into your backpack or car for convenience. Whether it's heavy rain or harsh sun, this umbrella offers reliable protection. It's your perfect companion for any weather condition. Built with premium materials, it's one of the strongest umbrellas available. You can count on its durability, trip after trip. With just one touch, it opens and closes automatically. This feature makes it incredibly easy to use, even when your hands are full. Its versatile design makes it suitable for both women and men. Take it with you wherever you go, for ultimate peace of mind. What we like? This umbrella is built to last, withstanding winds up to 100 miles per hour. If you live in a very windy area or travel frequently to unpredictable weather locations, this is the umbrella for you. Its compact and portable design also makes it easy to carry anywhere. What people say. This umbrella is very sturdy and well made. It held up perfectly in strong winds and did not flip inside out. The UV protection is excellent. I felt completely shaded and protected from the sun's rays, even on a very hot day. The automatic open and close button works smoothly and is very convenient for one-handed operation. Number 4. Sport-Brella Super-Brella 8-foot Canopy Umbrella. Introducing the Sport-Brella Super-Brella, your go-to for any weather. It offers UPF 50+ protection, keeping you safe from the sun's harmful rays. This portable beach shelter provides an expansive 8 feet of coverage. It's perfect for a day at the beach or any outdoor gathering. Featuring integrated side panels and wind flaps, it ensures stability even in breezy conditions. Stay comfortable and protected, no matter the elements. Setting up and taking down is a breeze. Plus, it comes with a convenient carry bag for effortless transport to your favorite spots. Built to last, this umbrella is designed for durability and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction. Available in a classic blue color, it adds a touch of style to your outdoor adventures. Stay protected and look good doing it. What we like? Looking for maximum shade and protection at the beach or park? This extra-large, 8-foot canopy offers UPF 50+ sun protection and includes side panels for added coverage. It's perfect for families or anyone who wants to create their own shaded oasis outdoors. What people say. The umbrella is very sturdy and has held up well in windy conditions. It provides excellent sun protection and keeps me cool even on hot days. The automatic open and close feature is very convenient. Number 3. Gorilla Grip Compact Travel Umbrella. This umbrella is designed to be your perfect travel companion. It offers wide coverage when open but collapses down to a compact size, easily fitting into your bag. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, making it effortless to carry wherever you go. No more fumbling with your umbrella in the rain. With a simple one-click button, you can easily open and close it, keeping one hand free for other tasks. It's designed for quick and convenient access when you need it most. Stay dry even in heavy downpours. This umbrella features a special water-resistant coating that repels water effectively. The canopy is made from durable, quick-drying fabric, ensuring it stands up to the elements. We've designed the handle for your comfort and convenience. Its slip-resistant and soft-touch finish ensures an easy and secure grip, even during extended use. This umbrella is built to last and tested for all types of weather. It offers protection from UV rays and is constructed with reinforced ribs to withstand winds. You can rely on it for everyday use, season after season. What we like? Need a reliable umbrella that's easy to use and carry? This compact travel umbrella weighs less than a pound and features a convenient one-click open and close mechanism. If you value ease of use and portability for everyday commutes or travel, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The umbrella is very sturdy and has held up well in windy conditions. It provides excellent sun protection and keeps me cool even on hot days. The automatic open and close feature works smoothly and is very convenient. Number 2. Cuby Compact Folding Umbrella. Introducing the Cuby Compact Umbrella, designed to be your reliable companion in any weather. It offers excellent protection against rain and harmful UV rays. Despite its compact folded size, it opens up to cover an adult comfortably, even with a bag. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Built with a special fiberglass frame and 8 reinforced ribs, this umbrella is designed to withstand strong winds better than ordinary ones. Featuring new vinyl layer technology, it effectively blocks UV rays, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The high-density waterproof fabric ensures you stay dry even in heavy rain. Open and close it with a single press of a button. It's designed for easy, one-handed operation, making it convenient for busy individuals. Its stylish design and practical features make it an ideal gift for loved ones on any special occasion, from Christmas to Mother's Day. We stand by our product with a 90-day manufacturer's warranty. Contact us with any questions. We're committed to providing the best quality and service. What we like. If you prioritize sun protection and a stylish accessory, consider this option. Its new vinyl layer offers 99.9% UV protection, making it ideal for sensitive skin or sunny commutes. The attractive design also makes it a great gift. What people say. The umbrella is very sturdy and has held up well in windy conditions. It provides excellent sun protection and keeps me cool even on hot days. The automatic open and close feature works smoothly and is very convenient. Number 1. New Folding Fishing Umbrella Hat. Introducing the ultimate hands-free solution for sun and rain protection. This innovative hat keeps you dry and shaded, no matter the weather. With a wide 37.4-inch diameter, it offers ample coverage for your head and arms. It's also surprisingly portable when folded, making it easy to take anywhere. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit thanks to the adjustable chin strap and a convenient lanyard cord lock. It's designed to stay in place, even on breezy days. The heat-reflective cloth bounces sunlight away, preventing heat absorption. Plus, the built-in vent ensures you stay cool and comfortable, even in strong sunlight. Opening and closing this hat is a breeze. Simply pull the top rope to open, and press the button for automatic retraction, just like a regular umbrella. Perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities like fishing, gardening, hiking, and golfing. It's a practical and unique gift for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. What we like. For hands-free convenience during outdoor activities, this umbrella hat is a game-changer. Its oversized, heat-reflective canopy keeps you cool and dry, making it perfect for gardening, fishing, or any activity where you need both hands free. If you're looking for ultimate practicality in the sun or light rain, this is it. What people say. The umbrella is very sturdy and well-made, with a strong frame that can withstand strong winds. It provides excellent sun protection, blocking out harmful UV rays and keeping me cool even on the hottest days. The automatic open and close mechanism works smoothly and reliably, making it easy to use with one hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.